Good morning, children. So exercise 1.2, 9th class maths will see exercise 1.2 up to exercise 1.1 completed up to part 3. Today is part 4. Part 4. So today we'll see the exercise 1.2. Okay, so first question. So whatever here first question given here, classify the following as rational or irrational. We have to classify the following as rational or irrational. So how, see Nana, first problem, what is given here? Root 27. What is given here? Root 27. So how we have to tell whether root 27 is rational or irrational. How we can tell root 27 if we factorize 3 9s are 3 3s are. So we can write as 3 into 3 into 3. So root 27, 3 3 is 3, 2 3s are there means it will becomes 1. So 3 root 3 root 3 is irrational number. It is irrational. Next, root 441. Root 441. Check it out. 441, factorize it. So 3 1s are 3, 4s are 12, 7s are 3, 4s are 12, 9s are 7 7s are. So 449, how I got here? 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So 1 3 1 7. So 3 7s are. How much Nana? 21. 441 perfect root is 21. Therefore it is rational. Therefore it is rational. Okay. In the same way, check the third one also. Check the third one. So how here third one we are having here 30.23 42 3 4 5 so on, like this it is having, means goes on repeating, not there some order, so it is irrational. It is irrational. Fourth one. So what is the fourth one here? 7.48 48 48 so on. So here what happened? 48 is repeating. So I can write as 7.48 bar. Yesterday already we have seen bar numbers how to write in the P by Q form. So it is a rational number. It is a rational number. Fifth one, 11.21 32 435 465. So the decimal expansion was stopped here. So it is a rational. So it is a rational number. So understood how to classify rational or irrational, whether the given numbers. So root 27 is not perfect square root. So it is irrational. Root 441 is, we got perfect square root. So it is rational. So here the numbers are repeating but not reoccurring. So it is a irrational. Here what happens? Repeating. Okay, so 48 48 48. We can write as 7.48 bar. It is rational. It is rational. Next, fifth one is 11.2132 435 465. Like this is given. So division was stopped here, not continuing here. So it is a rational. So it is a rational number. Final sixth one also irrational. It is continuing. Sixth one you write as irrational. Okay, this is the first bit of exercise 1.2. Next, we'll see the second bit. So what is the second bit given here? So what is here? Give 4 examples for rational and irrational numbers. Give 4 examples for rational and irrational. So rational numbers we have to give 4 examples. Irrational numbers you have to give 4 examples. So rational numbers means P by Q form. So 2 by 3, 5 by 6, minus 4 by 2, minus 7 by 3, like this. So irrational means non-perfect. So root 2, root 3, pi value, and your wish. You may write root 7. So non-perfect square numbers are irrational numbers. So this is the second problem. Next, third one. So find an irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. How many more they may be? So we have to find an irrational number between. So an irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. So to find an irrational number, between A and B, it is the formula. A and B is root AB. A and B is root AB, that is root 5 by 7 into 7 by 9. Root 5 by 7 into 7 by 9. So 7 cancel. We left with root 5 by 9. We left with root 5 by 9. So separate the root value. Root 5 by root 9. Root 5 is root 5 only. So root 9 is nothing but 3. So root 5 by 3 is an irrational number which is present between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. This is the third problem. Next, fourth one. So what is your fourth problem given? So fourth problem, find two irrational numbers between 0.7 and 0.77. We have to find two irrational numbers between given irrational numbers. What given here? 0.7 and 0.77. 0.7 and 0.77. We have to find two irrational numbers between them here. So 0.7 and 0.71. Irrational numbers means goes on repeating. It will not follow any rule. So 0.7 I can write as 0.71, 72, 73, 74, so on. This is one irrational number. You can write one more one, 0.701, 001, 0001, so on. This is another irrational number. Your wish. You may take your own digits. Is it clear? Okay. Fifth problem. So find the value of root 5 up to 3 decimal places. Find the value of root 5 up to 3 decimal places. We have to find the root 5 value up to 3 decimal places. So solution. So how to find out 5 points? So gather 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, like this. Group it. So this is the quotient place, this is the divisor place. So what digit we place in the divisor place? The same digit we have to place in the quotient place. So if I place here 1, here also 1. So 1 ones are 1. So it is becoming small. Check for one more number. 2, if I place here 2, here also 2. 2 twos are how much? 4. So nearest we got it. 2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Dropping 2 zeros. So point over 2 point. Next what we got here? 5 minus 4 is 1. We dropped 2 zeros. It became 100. Next we have to check here. So what is your unit place? One digit only we are having 2. It will be doubled. It will be double. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. So what we place here? Here also same digit I told you. If I place 2 here, here also 2. 42 2s are 84. 100 minus 84 how much? 16. 100 minus 84 is 16. Drop 2 more zeros. So we got here how much? 1600. So here 1's place digit is 2. It will be doubled. 2 plus 2, 4. So here 4 is there already. So 44. Here how much we have to put? We have to check here. 44 is there. If I put here 3, here also 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 13. So if I place 4, here also 4. Check 4 4s are 16, 17, 17. So it is becoming bigger. So we will take 3 only. So 3, 3. So how much I got to for 1329. So do the subtraction. So 10, 9, 5. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, 5 minus 3 is 2. Now double the unit digit. 4, 4, 6. Dropping 2 more zeros. Dropping 2 more zeros. So here 446 is there. So we have to find up to 3 decimal places. I got here up to only 2 decimals only. So next we'll find out. So 446. What I place the digit here also the same. So check here 446. 5 means 5. We'll check 2 times. 6 means 6. So 5 5s are 25, 30, 32, 20, 23, 22. So 4, 6 you check here. So 6 6 are 36, 36, 39, 24, 27, 24, 26. 26,000. So this is the nearest value. So if I place here 6, here also 6. So how much? 26,796. So do the subtraction. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 0. 10 minus 7 is 3, 6 0 0. So how much we got here? 304 is the remainder. Up to point after I got 3 digits. So 3 decimal places over. So what is the value of root 5 now here? Root 5 is nothing but 2.236. Root 5 value is nothing but 2.236. So given this is the 5th problem. Given 7th problem, find the value of root 7 up to 6 decimal places. So root 7 value you need to find out same way. You do on your own root 7. Okay. This is 1.2 up to 6 problems. Okay.